if Grover would like to wear some of these. What color do you like? Any of them? Let's wear the new ones. Let's put this one on your legs. And okay, so here's an example of what toeless socks might look like. He doesn't really have toes anyway. He kind of has just like this furry foot. Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, Grover. Oh, his hat fell off. Wait, you gotta keep that hat on, Grover. See? I'm keeping my hat on, sort of. Okay. Oh, that is so cute. He's got toeless socks on. And let's see. Do you want to have, oh, you don't have a thumb. Oh, he has a little bit of a thumb. Let's see if you can get your thumb kind of in this one. Okay. Get in there. Get in there. Who else has a thumb back there? Oh, do you see his little thumb sticking out? Oh my gosh, Grover. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. You're a great model. Okay, let's have him model this one. This one's a little bit big for your hand, but let's see if we can get your thumb to stick out of this one too. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. So adorable. Let me see your thumb. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look, his thumb. His thumb is sticking out. What do you want to wear on your other leg? All right, do you want to wear it upside down the other direction? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Wait, what's Grover's voice? I can't mimic Grover's voice. I sound nothing like Grover. Sorry. Oh my gosh, look. See, if you pull it like this, then his little furry toes stick out. This one can be the toeless sock. Wait, sit up. Don't be lazy. And then this one can be just leg warmers. Wow, he's modeling it all. Look at that. Oh wait, what about the sweatband? Oh, I know. Here, he's wearing it on his head. Oh, look at that. What a great model. How's that sweatband look? He's ready to go play tennis and dance, do some 80s aerobics with leg warmers on. With one leg warmer and one toeless sock. Doo-doo-doo. It's Super Grover. He has a cape, he can fly. He can fly, watch. Put his arms out front, like that. And green screen this, flying through the air. All right. I'm coming. Everybody back there wants this. They all want to wear the new fashions. Who's next?